In the midst of our fast-paced world, there lies a quiet space, a space where life grows in its simplest, most beautiful form. Imagine walls alive with green, where every leaf tells a story and every sprout holds a promise of something more. This is not just a garden, it's a sanctuary, a living testament to care, patience, and creativity. Each plant begins its journey quietly, rooted in soil, nourished by sunlight and water. But here, the journey takes shape in harmony with innovation, smart systems that gently deliver exactly what is needed, ensuring every leaf thrives, every herb flourishes. Reclaimed wood carries the history of the past, giving new life to our present, reminding us that beauty can emerge from what once was forgotten. As your eyes wander across the vertical walls, you see more than herbs. You see resilience, adaptability, and the delicate balance of life. A mint leaf glistens under the morning light. Basil releases its aroma into the air, mingling with the soft sound of water trickling down tiny irrigation lines. The world slows down here. Breaths deepen, hearts align with the rhythm of nature. There is a story in every droplet, in every growing sprout, a story of transformation. Ordinary materials and simple spaces become extraordinary through imagination and intention. What was once a blank wall now blossoms with green abundance, a small oasis that sustains not only the body, but the spirit. And in this harmony of sustainability and design, there is hope. Hope that even in the smallest corners, life can thrive, that our choices, our care, and our attention to detail can create beauty that lasts. Here, the vertical garden becomes more than just a structure. It becomes a reflection of mindfulness, of nurturing, and of connection to the world around us. So take a moment, pause, let the gentle sway of leaves and the soft hum of water remind you that growth is constant, that life can be intentional, and that even in the simplest spaces, magic can flourish. This is the art of creating, of caring, of sustaining life, one green leaf at a time.